Rider, cream up, rider, cream up, rider, ew.
The yuckies?
Ew.
Ew, yucky. Did you spill your peaches?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay, we're cleaning it up though. Okay, is it all clean?
Yes, I'm clean.
Almost. Let's go throw this away. I'll go get a rag. Okay, here, take this. And now go wipe it up. Go wipe the ground. Wipe the ground. Wipe it. Put it on the ground and start wiping. Good job. Get it off your feet. Other foot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for helping. And good job cleaning up your mess. I'm very proud of you.